guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So I'm so excited to get my up box. Do you want to see what is inside of November's up box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my up box just arrived and I'm so excited because this just makes me feel so good to get, and it has amazing products inside. So let's go ahead and get into here and see what is in November's box. Their box is filled with encouragement words because that's what this is. This is an encouragement in a box. So let's go ahead and see what goodies we have for November. I'm so excited. Ooh, so we have a beautiful burgundy color and it says blessed and it has little fall leaves on it. Let's get this open. Isn't that presentation just gorgeous? They put so much time and effort in the way that they put these boxes together. It's unreal. Sometimes you get like paper flowers that I actually use for like my still shots in my videos. And now we have these little paper, all perfect for this time of year. So let me remove these because I am, oh, and they're different on the outside. I am, this like cardstock, going to save these. And that is so pretty. They do put in a card like this every month, so you can either put this in a frame, you can hang this up. This does have the information on the other side, but this side is always just beautifully done. That is ready just to frame or to set out. So this month's theme is blessed, perfect for Thanksgiving. And let's go ahead and get in here, and then I will read this and tell you about the box after we see what's all in here. So then we have, here is, it says blessed. How wonderful to have such blessings. And then the front says thankful, grateful, and blessed. So there's like a little note card. So there's a card you can hang up as well. Or is it, let's see. Is it just a, what is it? Oh, so there's two different ones. They're blank on the outside. So they're just two different cards. One says the grateful. There's that one. That's so pretty. Then the other one has the blessed. So there's two different sides and there's two of them. So you have two of each card. There is a sticker that says blessed with the fall leaves. That is so pretty. Ooh, you have this little wooden sign that says blessed. You can put this anywhere. So it says blessed. Now, let's see. Ooh, we have a recipe box. You know what? This is something that I don't have, to be honest. I don't have a recipe box at all. So this is really cool. So it's it says 8-piece. Okay, because it gives you these little dividers inside so you can actually organize them. And then you have the box. So you have the little dividers inside and then you have the box itself. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Now I have a recipe box, you guys. That is so cool. So we have a recipe box. Now I can start putting my recipes in there. Then we have, here are the cards for this month. They give you these inspirational cards and they have envelopes inside. So there's two inside of here. And then see what it looks like on the inside. So the outside of it, upwards. And the inside says, how wonderful to have such blessings. So pretty. I love fall season. I just love the pumpkins and the, I just see my background. But then I really love decorating for Christmas. I love those two seasons are my favorite. Fall and Christmas are my favorite seasons. So there's that. Here is I am thankful for Thankful List 2019. It looks like there might be multiple ones in here. I see cards for my recipe box in here. Sorry, but I do. Yeah, so there's several different pages in here, but then you can write down a list of what you're thankful for. That is really cool. And there's several of them in here as well. They sent some really cool paper goods. Here are cards for in there. Recipe for from the kitchen of ingredients and directions. So that's cool. And it matches the box. I could always take this and make copies of it and then print it on like a thicker cardstock so I can make them all the same print so it all matches. You can see it's exactly the same. How pretty. All right, you guys. Now we have is this little, this like a pill. Just Breathe. This looks like a pill container you keep your pills in or anything. Just says Just Breathe. And then you open her up. There is a mirror on top, and then there's a little opening to put in like whatever you want. Little jewelry, your pills, your vitamins, anything you want in there. And then it's travel friendly. You could toss it in your purse. But on here it says PIL 022 by Natural Life. So I'm assuming this is a pill box. But again, you can put your vitamins in it, or if you have little tiny things you don't want to lose to keep in there. So there's that. That is very pretty. So we have that guy. Then, ooh, we have a pair of llama socks. How cute. Llama, llama, llama. Look how cute. There's little llamas on the socks. Those are so cute. Oh, the little plastic thing just came off where the tag came off. But this is from Natural Life as well. And there's the tag for these. Those are so cute. We have some llama socks. Then we have apple spice soy. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I've never seen tea light candles in a scent, but these are apple spice soy candles and they smell just like apple cider. Oh, those smell so good. Okay, and then the last item is this big old guy. I have no clue what is in here. It feels like a block of wood, but I don't know. Sounds like one too. It says just be you and celebrate your story. And it says it's an 8-inch by 4-inch Paulownia wood decorative home decor shelf block. And it says thankful on the package or the bag. Ooh, and it just says thankful. So it's a big, huge block, which this is kind of cool because if you set this on your counter or your end table or a shelf or anything, you can actually put things on top of here as well if you would like. That is really neat. I actually like that. 8x3 shelf block, thankful. And that's who makes it. And it looks like a little distress on the corners. That is very cute. I like that. So we have this big old block of wood that says thankful, which I'm always thankful. I'm thankful to wake up every morning. So I'm always thankful. So we have that block. We have then this little sign that says blessed. We have some llama socks. We have the thankful cards, the blessed cards, the blessed photo type card that you can keep. We have the pill or vitamin or whatever you would like container. We have the recipe cards and the recipe card box. That's awesome because I didn't have one. We have the soy candles that are tea light, but they're an apple spice that smells so good. We have the sticker, and then you have these other cards. And then of course you have all your little pretty paper goods that go on top that you can reuse for anything. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. I just love this box. Again, it's always an encouragement in a box. It's really what it is. If you're religious, if you're not religious, not everything in this box is all for just being religious. It's just a make you feel good box. If you're not religious, the items that are, you could always give them to somebody who is, or you can donate them. But on this card, what it says for this month, it says, welcome to your blessed box. Gratitude really is so much more than a passing trend or an annual occasion. Gratitude should be our state of mind, something we live out loud. Indeed, our lifestyle should be a reflection and expression of our deep awareness of being internationally thankful. Our blessed box was curated with that inspiration theme in mind. How wonderful to have such blessings. We hope that you are uplifted by the assortment of lifestyle items chosen for this season box. We hope these serve as helpful reminders to you on how thankful, grateful, and blessed you are. Now, they also donate too. So if you want to know about the Up box, let me let you know. I will have them linked down below. They have their own code. It's not each influencer. We don't get our own code. It doesn't do anything to us. It just helps you guys. They have a code, which I believe it only works for a 3-month subscription or more, but it's UPBOX50, UPBOX 50 will give you 50% off your order if you order a 3-month or more. So they start at $26.19 a month. That's if you prepay probably for the entire year. The more you prepay for it, the lower the price point goes. So it starts at $26.19 and goes up from there based on how many months you prepay for on the subscription that you choose. UpBox is simply an encouragement in a box. We are passionately providing products with purpose for Christian women. Our mission is to encourage every woman's Christian journey in a meaningful way with monthly captivating and inspiring themes and boxes filled to the brim with small batches, homemade lifestyle goodies like candles, lotions, scrubs, jewelry. What's inside every month? What you would expect in the box is a monthly encouragement in a box with captivating Christian theme. Every Up box includes the 5x7 poster, which is the one that I was reading off of. I literally was just reading it. This one. Mini encouragement cards, which are these. And scripture reminder cards. So that would be these. Every Up box includes 10 to 12 thoughtfully curated lifestyle accessories like organic bath and body, small batch candles from artisans in the US. 20% of each purchase is donated directly to the Jesus Way Foundation, which provides orphans with food, shelter, and clothing and education. So they also have things on their site as well. You can purchase things from their website directly. You don't have to just go with the subscription box. And new orders ship immediately. We ship all reoccurring subscriptions by the 15th of each month. And they use a courier service, which it is trackable. They send you a tracking number and you can cancel at any time. So that is everything that I have for you on this particular video with the Up box, you guys. I love this theme. It's perfect for this type of year, especially with Thanksgiving, giving thanks, being grateful. They always hit the mark on their boxes, you guys. So that is everything that I have for you. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this month's box. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.